Hi, I'm Shlok and I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane called the Strike Eagle. All you need to make for this is a regular sized sheet of paper. I'll take a pre-folded piece of paper and I'll show you. So the first step is you got to fold it equally in half and crease it. So will be our center crease. Now open it up like a book and flip it. So now you gotta fold this corner onto the center crease, and this corner, and with this corner do the same. And you take this corner and fold it to the center crease like this, and do the same with the other. So now we've made the normal shape of a dart airplane. And so now the next step is you got to take this top corner and fold it all the way down to this edge, to the bottom of this edge. And the center crease should be lined up with the center crease. And now fold it in half. Yeah, fold it in half like this, equally and properly, and fold this down like this, and make sure it's parallel to this edge. This edge should be parallel to this edge down here. And do the same with the other side. So now open it up like a book and flip it over. So now you gotta take this up and fold it like this. And while you're folding it up, hold these down so that it will hold this part down. So do this, and this is how it should look on the outside. So now you gotta fold it like this, fold it in half, and then fold it to this side, and keep it parallel as much as possible. Keep it parallel as much as possible, this line and this line. Keep it parallel as much as possible. So now do the same with the other side. Make sure it's equal with this. And then now all you got to do is open it like this and fold this down like this. Keep it down and fold it like this. Fold it to its maximum point here. But don't fold it too much that it tears. So now hold it like this, and then hold this, and then spread it a tiny bit and push this out. Push it out. So then this will be closed and it will pop out on the outside. So then it should look like this. So now we've made it. The Strike Eagle.